Fast minds, get ready for some fast facts. What are we uncovering today?
Absolutely. A bad PCV, positive crankcase ventilation, hose can cause a misfire. The PCV hose helps regulate engine pressure. If it's cracked or damaged, it can lead to an imbalance in air-fuel mixture, causing misfires. Regular inspection and timely replacement of the PCV hose are essential to prevent such issues and maintain engine performance.
Another mystery solved, but many more await. Keep up with our daily discoveries by subscribing and turning on notifications.